Need power? It's always right there at hand. EcoFlow River 2 Series. Lighter, faster, more powerful. Whether you're on an adventure, remote working, or heading on a road trip, just plug it in. There's plenty of power for all your gear. Even if it gets knocked over, it's tough enough to power on. Run multiple devices at once. 1, 2, or even 10. And there's room for one more. Low battery? Take time out to soak up the sun. Taking a drive? Even better. They're the perfect power couple. When you stop for a break, you'll both be recharged. At least 3,000 times. So, when it's ready to head out again, River 2 is ready to go. Are you? EcoFlow River 2 Series. Power never been this easy.